Hello, everybody. I'm working on some CG racing stuff. Going back dirt racing this year. Working on sponsor stuff. And then plus I'm trying to start a stock car team. So, got a driver and hoping to race a few races this year. I don't know though, but we hope so. But anyway, just thought I'd let you know that. And this is. We're still waiting. Yeah. And this is how I work right here. This is Hitman. Bravo.
You are now listening to the sounds
Gator.
of DJ TC.
The people that hate on you when you alive are the same ones that praise you when you're gone. Because they don't appreciate what they have until it's gone.
Yep.
Difference is when I'm gone, I still remain because I'm a motherfucking live at my time. All you motherfuckers better get me wrong. Break down and cry. You act like you love me all along. Then I wouldn't be surprised if I look down from heaven and I see you reaching out for me. But your love is alive, and your love is alive. So I don't give a fuck how you feel about me. I'm so fed, running through my head. After people try to knock me down, cause no one sticks around when the times get hard. I'm falling apart and no one knows what you got. I got knives in my heart from the people I love. So much hatred in my life, I don't know who to trust. Hate understands how I feel, cause they don't understand. I'ma stand up, hard work and help a man. They breaking me apart so they can get me. Bash me and wish me the worst. They give me everything that I've earned. I'm empty, I don't deserve it, then they diss me. But if I die, they miss me. How can this be? I think I'm going mad. Fighting back with every ounce strength that I had. Talk bad about me and I will prove you wrong. Don't appreciate me, so I wrote this song. It goes, yeah, if I die. All you motherfuckers better get me wrong. Break down and cry. You act like you love me all along. And I wouldn't be surprised if I look down from heaven and I see you reaching out for me. But your love is alive, and your love is alive. So I don't give a fuck how you feel about me. When you look me in my eyes, if you holler for help, I hate to do my heart, but I should've known better. I weathered the storm, weather sunshine, weather the storm. I fell for whatever you swore. I never been the type of man a woman for love. Said I never been the type of man a woman for trust. I ain't falling for your lies, there will never be a us. If you're wedding bells ringing, then you got me fucked up. Bitch, I hope you die and tell me I'm evil. Love is a horrible bitch, I'm living the sequel. Hurt people, and you wonder why I hurt people. Cause I hurt people. I don't want fucking cuddles, I'm troublesome, hard-headed, stubborn. What's the point in wasting love on a woman when in the end she'll be fucking your friends or fucking you out again? All that soulmate talks pretend, cause I'm dead if I die. All you motherfuckers better get me wrong. Break down and cry. You act like you love me all along, and I wouldn't be surprised if I look down from heaven and I see you reaching out for me. But your love is alive, and your love is alive. So I don't give a fuck how you feel about me. Tell me your soul, party on my way from my chest, double money in the bag. At the next, give a speech about hate, I reminisce in my life. Over her on 30s and sitting high as a kite. Swear left, swear right. Take my funeral procession, protecting that traffic, and raise happy for the cops. Plus blocks through the hot, and stop and say a prayer for a baller. The left is so weak, it's not. Don't you know it's top dollar? Tell me mama I'm good, and spray paint my neck in the hood. Let it be understood, and I'm the motherfucking greatest, and I never gave two blind folks about the hate. You gotta tell them about Bagel, and never back down. I win against the odds and retain my crown. I never show fear, let's get one thing clear. I ain't going nowhere, so go and hate me while I'm here, cause I'm dead if I die. All you motherfuckers better get me wrong. Break down and cry. You act like you love me all along, and I wouldn't be surprised if I look down from heaven and I see you reaching out for me. But your love is alive, and your love is alive. So I don't give a fuck how you feel about me. Still have moderate to severe ulcerative colitis or Crohn's disease symptoms after taking a medication like Humira or Remicade? Put them in check with Ridvoq, a once daily pill.
When symptoms try to take control,